Hi Leo, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for January. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular month has in store for all of you. The first card that I see for you is Five of Pentacles, Ten of Wands, Knight of Pentacles. Person B, your partner here, has Page of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, and Ace of Pentacles. We'll also see what is the mutual feeling that both of you have, what is the blockage in this relationship, and what is the outcome of this relationship. Now, bottom of the deck, I have the Empress card, which is a very strong energy. That's a major arcana card. With that, it means that either one of you, or it could be both of you as well, are in a very strong energy where you have the qualities of all the queens and you're taking a really good care of all aspects of your life. Now, from the first set of cards, I see you have Five of Pentacles, which means you feel left out. You feel as if this person did not take care of you, did not give you that attention that you wanted from them. So you feel left out, you feel like an outsider. The second card that I see for you is Ten of Wands. With that, you are exhausted, stressed, you're feeling really anxious, and you feel that this is something that was not supposed to happen, but now that things are really bad, you feel suppressed, you're just not liking this situation. The third card for you is Knight of Pentacles. With that, you will walk very slow towards this person. You'll walk so slow and you'll put in so small efforts that this person will feel that you're not interested and that you're not taking any effort towards this relationship. Now the second person, person B here, the first card for them is Page of Pentacles. Now Page of Pentacles is kind of an immature energy because they need to go ahead and get a little more mature. But with Pentacles, at least this person is thinking about stability. Now the second card for them is Eight of Pentacles, which means they understand that a lot of hard work will be required to fix this situation. And the third card here is Ace of Pentacles, which means that for a new beginning, they will have to go ahead and discuss things with you and talk about stability, because this person is very much focused towards stability. All their three cards are pentacles, okay, which means that they are looking for stability. They are looking towards getting things, stable and committed. Now, the mutual feeling that both of you have is Nine of Pentacles, which is a very single, independent energy. Maybe both of you are single, independent, doing really good, and that's something that a lot of people see about both of you, and they want to also get closer to you because of that. Now, the blockage that I see here is Three of Wands, which means that both of you will get stuck in a situation and it will not be easy for both of you to come out of that. Now the outcome that I see here is the Emperor card, which means Aries energy. With that card, both of you want to lead this particular relationship and take it forward. Now let's also quickly go ahead and see what is the intention of this person for you for this particular month. So the first card that I see for you is Ten of Cups, the Magician card, and the Four of Cups. Now with Ten of Cups, it's a family life situation where all the aspects of your life, it could be your finances, your family life, your business, career, everything is in place. So there's nothing to worry about. The Magician card is a very strong energy. With that, you want to go ahead and command the four elements so that things work in your favor. And with Four of Cups, it means that this person will eventually get bored in this situation and they will not accept anybody's cup of love even if somebody offers it to them at that point in time. Now let's quickly see what is the message that we have for you from the Moonology Oracle decks. So the message that I see for you is show the world the real you. Now this means that in some cases, if you're not showing the real person that is inside you, then it's high time that you go ahead and show the real person who is inside you, your real nature, to your partner and to the outside world. Now with this we'll also see what is the message we have from archangels, and if there is a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is girasol quartz. The crystal messages: have you noticed that people and situations are reflecting your feeling or thoughts? Pay attention to the messages these mirrors provide. Take stock of what work you need to do to improve your self-awareness and personal growth. Now with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Zadkiel, which I'll put in the description box and you can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and till the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.